Haiti, my beloved, no other land is more beautiful than you. I had to leave you in order to better understand how valuable you are. I had to leave you for me to appreciate you so I could truly feel all that you were for me. There's sunshine, nice rivers, and great drinks. Underneath the trees, you'll always find great shade, where you'll find a gentle breeze to keep you cool. Haiti is a country dear to me. In the white man's land, you are freezing and it's never good. And all day you're forced to burn coal. You can see clearly because the sky is always dark. And for 6 months, all trees are without leaves. In my country, there's sunshine to provide heat all year long. The trees continue to provide shade. A soft breeze always blowing on our beaches. Haiti is a country dear to me.